interrupted with the TBB Preview-Debug DLL blocking Intel TBB workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix.
Before the technical guide for TBB Preview-Debug, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the TBB Preview-Debug, the Intel Threading Building Blocks, TBB Preview-Debug module. It provides unmanaged instrumentation for testing experimental parallel orchestration, manifests within the application data link.
With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component.
The presence of TBB Preview-Debug DLL is required for the Intel TBB engine to function, so you should perform a clean reinstall of the application, showing the error to redeploy the correct version of this dependency.
If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path.
A simple restart can resolve file and use errors that mimic a missing TBB Preview-Debug message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot.
Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files.
The risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out files like TBB Preview-Debug DLL in your System32 folder.
Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized.
To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping TBB Preview-Debug synchronized. If you've regained access to TBB Preview-Debug thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.